Hi. So I chose to do shoe tying for my task analysis video. I feel like this is a really important skill, and in ABA, we are all going to teach shoe tying at some point or another. So I wanted to model that. This is how we do it at my center. I know other centers are different. But first, we grasp both laces in each hand and pull them tight. Next, you take the right lace and pull it over to the left side of the shoe. Next, you take the left lace and put it to the right side of the shoe. Then you grab the tip of your left lace and put it under the other lace and pull tight. Next, make the left loop and take the other lace, wrap around the left loop, push through the opening, grab it at midpoint, and pull tight. I also wanted to talk about data recording. So with any step of shoe tying, you can mark it as full physical, hand over hand. That would be F. You can also use a partial physical prompt. The client will be doing it, but you will have your hands over theirs. Or guiding. You can also mark this as a gestural prompt. Or if it's completely independent, you mark independent. One thing I like to touch on, especially, is whether the client is verbal or nonverbal. With a verbal client, I think it's okay for you to fade from a partial physical prompt to a verbal prompt. Once you've gone through the steps enough, they're going to understand what each step means when you say it. So you could fade to a verbal prompt in that case. If your client is nonverbal, I would suggest sticking with the full physical prompts, partial physical prompts, and gestural prompts. That way, if you're giving verbal cues and teaching at the same time, that might be a lot for them to take in. This is kind of a hard skill. So I would just stick to those physical prompts, verbal prompts, or partial physical prompt and gestural prompts when you're teaching shoe tying. That way they don't get overwhelmed. And you can make sure the stimulus is on the shoe rather than your voice. But that's my video. Thank you.